Hello, good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are taking maximum advantage of these virtual classes. As we have successfully completed lesson number 1 and 2, and by today I am going to send you the question answers of lesson number 1 and 2. Okay, don't worry for that. Let us start with the new topic, the new lesson. That is, the topic is belongs from biology, nervous system and skeletal system. Okay, both the words I hope you might have heard before. Okay, so we'll be discussing in today's topic skeletal system and nervous system. Okay, first of all, let me tell you, our body is made up of cells. Okay, our body is made up of small cells. Cells form the tissues. Okay, cells form the tissues. Tissues form an organ. Tissues form an organ. Organs form an organ systems, and all the organ systems form the human body. Okay, this is the structure of the human body. Let me tell you. Okay, a body is made up of small part is called shells. Shells are going to form a tissue. Tissues are going to form an organ. An organ is going to form an organ system, and obviously an organ system made a complete human body. As I told you, there are many organ systems working in our body. Okay, our body is like a machine. As we all know, car is looking so beautiful from outside. Okay, shining from outside. But once the car get damaged or once the car is having any problem, when the mechanic is going to open all the parts of the car, you can see there are small wires, there are small machines, there are small pipes, and all these things are fitted inside the car, which help the car to run on the road. The same way, we are looking so beautiful from outside. Okay, we are taking care of our skin, we are taking care of our body, combing the hair, bathing, want to look handsome, smart, beautiful. But do you know what is there inside your body? Okay, this is the muscles, but inside the muscles there are different kinds of bones, and inside the bones there are different kinds of organs which runs our body. Okay, these are the organs which runs our body smoothly. Many organs are there, and some specific organs form an organ system which are helpful for working of our body, for living, or for running of our body, we can say. Okay, there are many organ systems. Right from we are discussing skeletal system and nervous system, but along with that there is a circulatory system, there is a respiratory system, there is a excretory system, there is a what we can say digestive system, and many more systems are there which is inside our body and they are working for us. Okay, so all other systems will learn step by step, we learn gradually, but now till today we'll discuss only two organ systems, and in today's video we'll discuss only the introduction or introductory part of skeletal system. Okay, see, whenever you are hearing the word skeleton, what comes in your mind? Obviously bones. The hard part of our body are called bones. Okay, when we discuss the skeletal system or whenever we heard the word skeleton, we come to know that it is something which is related with bones. Okay, and bones are what? What are bones? So I will simply define bones. Bones are nothing but the hard stiff part of the body which is inside the body are called bones. Okay, when you press your hand, though you have muscles wrapping in your hand, but when you press your hand, some hard part you will notice, or you feel that something is hard inside your hand, something is hard inside your chest, something is hard inside your head. Okay, below your hair. These all parts are called bones. Okay, bones, all the bones in our body and cartilage are going to form a system called skeletal system. So whenever we discuss the word skeletal system, you always remember that the system is belongs to bones and bones only. Okay, so let me tell you, the skeletal system consists of bones and cartilage. Generally, there are 206 bones present in a human body. Okay, an adult person's body is having 206 bones present in it. Okay, so again I would like to remind you, there are the hard substance which is inside your body is nothing but they are called bones. And how many number of bones present in the body? There are 206 bones is present, which forms an skeletal system. Okay, so now what is skeletal system? Why it is important? What is the use of it? That we will discuss. First of all, let me tell you, skeletal system gives shape and support to our body. The very important factor which I want to tell you that because of the skeletal system, we even used to stand, we used to walk, we used to sit straight. It is all because of bones. Because instead, if rather than bones, there are only muscles present in your body which are flexible. Okay, so bones are the hard structure or bones like a sticks which are present in our body, and they used to give shape and support to our body. Okay, there are many bones. Some bones are hollow, some bones are very hard enough. One bone is there which is very important, that is called backbone. It's also called vertebra, which used to give shape and support to our body. Okay, if I am standing straight in front of you because of the backbone present inside my body. So backbone is also called the vertebra. Okay, it is called backbone because it gives shape and support to our body. And because of the backbone, we all are, instead of crawling or instead of using four legs, we are walking or we are running or we are able to do any activities with the help of our legs, and we can even stand straight. So all the posture, our body shape and everything because of the bone itself. Okay, let us move forward. As I told you earlier, there are 206 bones present in our body. Okay, and all these bones and cartilage makes the skeletal system. And the important function of the skeletal system is to give shape and support to our body. Now this topic is very general to you all. We have discussed this topic already in class 4, 3rd, 2nd. See, now what exactly bones are performing? What are the functions that bones are performing in our body? Let us discuss. As bones are present in our body, they are like a cage. Okay, have you seen cage? Inside the cage there are some animals. So are all the internal organs, right from heart, right from kidneys, right from liver, or any other internal organs are safe because of the bones. Because bones are covered up all these organs. Imagine, I might gave you this example many a times. Okay, jokes apart, if you are fighting with your friend, if you are going to play on the ground and fighting happen between two friends, and if anybody beats you very hardly in your tummy, imagine if there were no bones. If anybody is beating you, maybe your heart will damage. Obviously your heart will come out of your body and it will fall like anything. It is because of the bones. Whatever people are beating, first it goes to the bones. Bones are the hard parts. So I mean to say, okay, I just crack a joke, okay, but I mean to say that bones protect our internal body parts. Okay, first function, give shape and support to a body. Second function, it protects the internal organs of the body. Third, it gives strength, support, shape to a body. It also helps the movement. Now you will say how the bones are helpful for the movement. Imagine if there is only muscular part of the body. If I am running in a running race, I am continuously running and my one hand got broken, my leg got broken, my fingers are here and there. Can you imagine such things? Yes, if there will be no bone in our body, such things can happen. All the muscles are attached to the bones, and that's why all the body parts are safe and secure inside. Last but not the least, many bones are hollow and filled with a substance called bone marrow. Okay, see, bone marrow is a very important bone in your body, which is not only functioning to give shape and support to a body, but it produces the blood cells. Okay, have you heard the word bone marrow? Bone marrow is one kind of bone which help or which support the blood cells, which are very important for any of us for the survival. Okay, so the main parts of the backbone, the main parts of the skeletal systems are skull, backbone and rib cage. Okay, skull, backbone and rib cage. We all will going to discuss all these three parts of the skeletal system in detail. Don't worry. As I told you, this is an introductory video of the lesson. The lesson is very deep and the lesson is very interesting as it belongs from biology. So obviously, the more videos we want to spend on this lecture on this topic. And let me tell you, after, as I am always, my favorite dialogue is to you, whenever you are attending the videos of biology or whenever you are attending the classes of biology, after that you will become a doctor. Okay, but don't treat the patients or don't inject anybody. Okay, why you are becoming a doctor? Because small things you will understand what is essentially our body is, why all these organ systems are very important and everything. Okay, so we'll stop here. In the next video, we're going to cover up the rest of the topic, and let me tell you, stay in touch with studies and go through the lessons thorough reading, which is very helpful for your better understanding. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.